Today, we're going to briefly go over the calcium pump, which is a P pump or a transport protein that is an active transport pushing something against its concentration gradient. So just a brief overview, this is what we're going to be looking at. This right here is a simplified version of the membrane. In here we have a transmembrane protein with a little subset group on it, which is going to be important, as you'll see, for its function. So here, the first thing that's going to happen is an ATP is going to attach to here, which is a key sign that this is active transport because it requires this extra energy. What's going to happen here is it's going to trigger a conformational change, helping this open up, and the calcium is going to flood inside of this transmembrane transporter protein. The next thing that's going to happen is, so the P is going to be phosphorylated, the ATP is. So the phosphate is going to be ripped off, and it's going to kind of form this glue to glue the calcium inside of this transporter protein. Then when another ATP is added, this kind of opens up at the bottom. It changes the conformation of the protein, basically. It causes this gap to be filled in, and then a gap over here to open, pushing the calcium outside of the cell against its gradient. The last step that you're going to have is a bunch of hydrogens from outside the cell is going to flood inside, which is going to basically cause just a restart. It's going to go back to the beginning, which is going to look just like this. So this is used often in muscle cells, and you need calcium for muscle cells, obviously, but that's a very intricate topic. So just know that how this transporter works is it pushes calcium out of the cell, but it uses active transport because the ATP has to attach in order to cause a conformational change in the protein. I hope that was a little bit helpful. If you have any more questions, please go to www.clemson.com/ASC for more information on our tutoring hours, and please use CU Navigate to register for more tutoring hours throughout the week. We are happy to help you, and we'd love to supply you with more videos and more help along the way. Have a great time studying. Bye-bye.